Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and as you can see from the background, there's some hot stuff, but not in temperature, an essential oil, and that's oregano from doTERRA, Young Living, as well as Melaleuca Company. And the benefits of doTERRA oregano is that it's a powerful cleansing and purifying agent, supports healthy immune system and digestive health, and so that hotness comes from the intensity that this oil brings in general to your body, but it has lots of benefits, so don't worry. The benefits of Young Living oregano are that it cleanses your skin of impurities and promotes a warming massage. And then the benefits of Melaleuca Company's oregano is it has cleansing properties for the skin, contains antioxidants, and supports your hormones. Now the uses are very important to note because this is a hotter oil and it's threefold for doTERRA, so you can see that you can diffuse it aromatically if you want your home to smell like an Italian restaurant, or you can place 2 to 3 drops in a veggie capsule and consume with food recipes and water to help kind of with that digestion aspect, or you can apply topically with fractionated coconut oil being first. And so you can think of the fractionated coconut oil as the primer and the essential oil as the paint, and so you want to do that to reduce the chance of irritation basically. And less is more when it comes to this essential oil. You definitely don't need to use any more than what is recommended, and typically 1 to 2 drops is all you need, and the time frame is usually about 1 to 2 hours depending on what you're going through. And then when it comes to the uses of Young Living's oregano, there are 2 main uses. So you can use in a diffuser, or you can dilute with a carrier oil and apply to your skin or area that needs support. But then the uses for Melaleuca Company's oregano are twofold, very similar to Young Living. You can diffuse for aromatic benefits, or you can combine it with a carrier oil and apply to your reflex points, typically on the bottoms of your feet or the palms of your hands. I would recommend the bottoms of your feet simply because that is good, because it's going to have a full body system benefit, and that way your skin is thicker too there, and so it's important to have thick skin. But also use a carrier oil. When it comes to pricing, doTERRA's oregano is $32 for retail and $24 for wholesale. And I have other videos that cover the differences between retail, wholesale, as well as different essential oil kits if you're looking to get started, or if you're already with the company to kind of gain more information there. And then an important note with Young Living is you want to see the vitality line for internal use. So for, as an example, the 5 milliliter bottle of oregano that can be taken internally is $15.79 for that retail, and then the price for just the 15 mil that you see featured here in this video is $37.50 retail, and then $28.50 wholesale, and that is, as you can see, a little bit more than doTERRA. And then finally, when you look at Melaleuca Company's oregano, the important note is that it does not have an internal use recommendation on the label, but when you look at the price, it's $32 for regular members, which is similar to retail, and it's the exact same price as doTERRA. And then the preferred member is $16.50, which is the lowest price compared to the other companies, but again, it doesn't allow for internal use on the label, as well as the preferred member comes with some other things you need to do to kind of earn that pricing. And all that kind of details I include in the videos, specifically the playlist in the description below this video, so you can kind of gain more perspective and idea of what's involved. Whether you're with the company, on the fence, or kind of outside looking in, you can see what each company offers, so you can come to more accurate conclusions as well. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe if you haven't already done so for future video updates, and check out those links for more information, and I'll see you in the next video.